Yes, good morning first class children. Very good morning to all. Have you done the practice of hard words yesterday which I had given to you which I had given to you? Okay, fine. So like in which way you have done the practice? Okay, oral drilling practice and writing practice and you have done it? Okay. So if you do the more practice, no, that is very easy to whenever if I conduct when I am conducting the slip test, you can write very neatly. So let me start the revision number 2. What is the revision number 2? Okay, I will write on the board, just you will be ready for the oral drilling practice children. Okay, the revision number 2 is circle the odd word. You have to circle the odd word. You can do it, no? You remember last year we had given this practice for you. No? In UKG class you didn't learn this all. Okay, no problem. This is the first time you are writing the test in the first class in the science, isn't it? Okay, I will show you what is an odd word. Okay, see, one I will show you. See here, first one, flower, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, fruit. Here I am writing egg, E-G-G, egg. Which is the odd word? ఓకే చెప్పండి, ప్లాంట్లో ఏమేమి ఉంటుంది? ఫ్లవర్, లీఫ్, ఫ్రూట్ ఉంటుంది, ఎగ్ ఉంటుందా? నో. సో విచ్ ఈస్ ఆడ్ వర్డ్? ఏది రాంగ్ ఇక్కడ? ఎగ్ కదా. సో లెట్ మీ సర్కిల్ దిస్ వన్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆడ్ వర్డ్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద, యూ కెన్ గివ్ టిక్ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ సర్కిల్. ఓకే, number 2, get ready for that. Next one, fish, F-I-S-H, fish, P-R-E-E, tree, P-L-A-N-T, plant, H-E-R-B, herb. Which is the odd word here? Fish. Fish is the odd word. Tree, plants, herb మనం చదువుకున్నప్పుడు చెట్లు గురించి దాంట్లో ఫిష్ వస్తుందా మనకి? No. So which is the odd word? Circle now. Fish. Fish is the odd word. You don't give any tick marks, just circle it. Okay? So you won't get the confusion, children. Okay, the next one I'm going to start like shall we start with other things? So I'll show you children, one second. Grass, mint, grass, mint. Okay, then we will go for spinach. These are what? Herbs, isn't it? There I am going to write, what is that? Root. Which is the odd word? ఇక్కడ అన్ని ప్లాంట్స్ పేరు రాసాను. గ్రాస్, మింట్, స్పినచ్. ఓకే, రూట్ ఏంటి? ప్లాంట్ కింద ఉంది. ఇదేంటి? ఇవన్నీ ఒక హర్బ్ ప్లాంట్స్. ఐ హ్యాడ్ మెన్షన్ ద హర్బ్ ప్లాంట్స్. దేర్ యూ గాట్ ద రూట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద odd word. The root is a odd word. Okay, here I had shown the herb plants. Grass, mint, spinach. Root is a herb plant. No, this is not that. It is a part of the plant. Okay, so this is the way. Next one. Here first one I had mentioned the parts of the plant. Here I had mentioned the herb plants. Now get ready for the next one. Okay, next one, coconut. Ready now? Next, mango. Mango tree, neem tree. What is this? Coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree. Here I am writing rose. So which is the odd word? Rose. Rose is a odd word. Okay, the next one, shall I start now? The next one, let me know for what the plants need. I'll write on the board. Okay, water, isn't it? Plants need water, soil, isn't it? Then here I am going to write it here. The other thing is what? Water, soil, sunlight, fire. More teacher, fire అని అడుగుతున్నారా? ప్లాంట్స్ కి ఫైర్ కావాలా? ఏం కావాలి? వాటర్, సాయిల్, సన్లైట్. సో ఫైర్ ఈజ్ ద ఆడ్ వర్డ్. ఫైర్ ఈజ్ ద వాట్? ఆడ్ వర్డ్. ఇట్ కెన్ కమ్స్, I can give you here in the middle also. Okay, wait children. Here I will change it here. Here I will write fire. Here I will write here air. A-I-R, air. Sorry, air also need no problem. You can write here. Very simple words I will give you. A-I-R, air, and soil. What does the plant needs? So fire is a odd word. Fire is necessary for the plant. No teacher, no. మంట అవసరమా దీనికి ప్లాంట్స్కి? కాదు కదా. ప్లాంట్స్కి ఏవి అవసరము? వాటర్, ఎయిర్, సాయిల్ అండ్ వాటర్. ఓకే, సారీ, వాటర్, ఎయిర్, సాయిల్. ఓకే, here what else I can write? Sunlight also I can add. Okay, here I can add sunlight. One more word I will add. Okay, so which is the odd word here among 5? Fire is a odd word. So here I had given the parts of the plant. Among parts of the plant is egg is a odd word. Here I had given the name of the tree, plant, different types of plants I had given. But here I had given the fish. Fish will comes under the plants? No. This is the water animal. Next one. Here I had given the herb plants. What are the herb plants? Grass, mint, spinach. In the herb plants, I had mentioned the root. Root is not a herb plant. Okay, it's a part of the plant. Coconut, mango, coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree. Among trees, rose is a tree. No teacher, it is a shrub plant, isn't it? Okay. Here, what does a plant need? Here I had given the water, fire, air, soil, sunlight. Among 5, which is very necessary for them? All the 4 is necessary. Is it fire is necessary for them? No teacher. Fire is not necessary for the plant, isn't it? So fire is the odd word. Is it clear, children, now? Okay. So let me go for the 6th one. 6th odd word. Okay. What is the 6th one? Get ready for the 6th. Here I am going to write the what are the things you get from the plant. You will get seed, isn't it? Fruit, isn't it? Stem. Here I am going to write ground. Here in 6th one I had given which part is very necessary. Seed, fruit, stem. With this we are using for to daily regular purpose, isn't it? We are eating seed fruits, seed plants, we are eating fruit plant, then we are using the stem plants also. Okay, but what about this ground? Ground is a odd word. It won't comes under the part of the plants. Okay, the next one, 7th one. Get ready. What are the creepers and climbers? Okay, now here pumpkin. Pumpkin is a climber. Pea plant. Pea plant is a climber. Yes teacher, it is a climber. Pea plant is also climber. Okay, the next one is pumpkin is a creeper. Pea plant is a climber. Okay, the next one, pumpkin over watermelon. Watermelon is a creeper. So I am asking you to circle the creeper. Is it a creeper? No. Which is odd word? Pea plant, because it is a climber. It is a climber. Pumpkin is a creeper plant. Watermelon is a creeper. Creeper అంటే నేల మీద రావడము. ఏవి చెట్టు? వాటర్మెలన్ కానీ పంకిన్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ నేల మీద వస్తుంది. క్రీపర్స్ అలానే నేలకి చుట్టుకుంటుంది, అవునా కదా? సో ఈ పీ ప్లాంట్ ఏంటి? దీనికి వీక్ ప్లాంట్. ఇది కూడా వీక్ ప్లాంట్సే, బట్ దీనికి ఏంటి? సపోర్ట్ కావాలి. పీ ప్లాంట్ నీడ్స్ అ సపోర్ట్. ఓకే, సో పీ ప్లాంట్ ఈస్ ఎ odd word. Pea plant is a odd word. It is a climber because it is a climber, children. Okay, the next odd word. The next one is, get ready children. We will go further. The next one is root, trunk, stem. Here I am writing here one more part, that is What is this part we will write? Shall we write here? Thorns. Shall I write it here? No. We no need of writing thorn. We can write the other word, that is carrot. It comes again, you will get confused if I write carrot or if I write another word. Any animal I will write water. Otherwise I write water. Okay. So root, trunk, stem. Here I had given the water. These all comes under, these also under the parts. So water is the odd word. Water is the odd word. Root, trunk, stem. These all one of the part of the plant. Root enti plant kinda part ki emantaru root. Then paina una part ki pedda trees ki em vastundi trunk. Stem enti adoka kommu. Ila rose chettu ki etla chinna chinna kommulu untadi kada. అది స్టెమ్ అంటాం. ట్రంక్ అంటే పెద్ద పెద్ద చెట్టు. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఇలా చెప్పాలి, నీమ్ ట్రీ చూసారా, మ్యాంగో ట్రీ ట్రంక్స్ అన్ని ఎలా ఉంటుంది, పెద్ద పెద్ద లావుగా ఉంటుంది చెట్టు చూసారా, దానికి ఏమంటారు ఇలాంటి సెక్షన్కి, దిస్ సెక్షన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద ట్రంక్. దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సెక్షన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద ట్రంక్. స్టెమ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, మీకు ఇలా ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టెమ్, సన్నగా ఉంటుంది కొమ్మలు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద రూట్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? రూట్. ఓకే, here among we are discussing about the tree parts, but there what I had written water. So water is not the odd, water is the odd word. Root, trunk, stem is a part of the tree. Okay, and plant. Is it clear, children? So today let me close the revision number 2. Class is completed. Now I will send it in the message. You just copy down in your classwork notebook. Okay, children? Is it clear? And the next bit I will show you what to write and how to label the parts of the picture. Okay, you can write. Tomorrow I will give you the about drawing and other name the pictures bits. Okay, so tomorrow I will give you simple 2 bits. 2 more bits I will give you tomorrow, but today you write down very neatly. Circle the odd word. This class is very clear for you all, isn't it? Okay, so what is your turn now? Writing very neat handwriting. You should write very neat handwriting and do the practice of home more. Okay, you have to practice. You have to doing the practice only, it gives a very good result for you. Okay, learn and write. Okay, thank you, children.